What's up, YouTube? It's been a damn while. I've been really busy. Had a bunch of issues. Yeah, one of them is tools, Snap-on tools in particular. Yeah, I got issues, but you know what? My Snap-on guy has the fix every Tuesday. Anyway, wanted to make a little video. I got something special that I've been waiting 3 months on. It's to commemorate 20 years in business. 20 years, yeah. So I wanted to do something special. I saw something a couple months back on all the tool pages on Facebook, and I was like, "What the hell? I got to do this!" So it was pretty nuts. But anyway, yeah, 20 years in business. Since it's Snap-on's 100-year anniversary and ours being 20, I figured I'd do something. So, like the title says, ratchets. If you're on here looking for some ratchet girls. Wrong type of ratchet, but stick around, check this channel out, and you might like these ratchets. So if we take a look, we'll take a look at my ratchet drawer right over here, and we'll notice something. We'll notice the 1/4" drive right over here missing, and then the 3/8 drive right over here missing. So why don't we go inside and take a look, see what's going on. Yeah, it's something interesting, so we're gonna go inside today, not in the garage. All right, so turn this camera around. So you see we got my nice new flannel my Snap-on guy hooked me up with. He even got me the matching Christmas stocking, and then we got the little poker set. And here we got the Snap-on magic wipes. And I'll show you what I mean by magic in a second. And here are some ratchets right over here. Got the 100th anniversary, nice, I guess it's the S80 and the F80 ratchet with the 100-year anniversary logos on them. But what's in this box is the special thing, which we'll get at. Okay, so here we have the ratchets. All right, gonna grab one of these little magic wipes over here that I got right here. Take one out. These Snap-on magic wipes are the bomb. If you guys don't know, so you just wipe it down real good, get it nice and wet, and I grab a nice little microfiber towel. Clean these bad boys up, and immediately you can see the difference. I mean, right away. Look at it. Oh my God, I can look. Oh man. All right, here we go. Ready? Oh, what the hell? What the hell? Wow, every time I do this, I get impressed. Phew, look at that. Look at that. Wow, look at that craftsmanship on that bad boy. I don't know if you guys can see it. Well, most of you guys are probably like, "Oh, that's bullshit. I don't believe you." What about the other ratchet? All right, let's see you do that again. All right, we'll try it again. So here we go. We'll grab another wipe. Wipe this little bad boy up. Get it nice and wet. Let's see if we get lucky twice. Ready? Got it nice and wet. Let's put this aside. Get the microfiber. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Here we go. Let me take a peek. Oh, almost there. Almost there. Oh, here we go, guys. It's unbelievable. Let me take it. Oh my God. Even 1/4" drive it works, dude. These wipes are something out. Look at that shit. Holy cow. Saddam Hussein is rolling in his grave right now. What the fuck? He's like, why didn't I think of that? El Chapo, you ain't got one of these, homie. Oh man. Holy cow. Wow, man, if I do this to all my ratchets, I'm not going to want to use them. Shit. Look at the detail of that work. Wow. Anyways, guys, that really didn't happen. That's called editing. And I suck at it. But anyway, so these are the ratchets. Here, let me show you the case I got. This is the number 7 ratchet kit. I did this to commemorate 20 years in being in business. And as you can see, the ratchets go right inside here. A nice little display case. Beautifully cut by toolbed.com. And you got the little 100th anniversary logo. Nice. I don't know if it's leather or pleather or fleather or whatever you want to call it. But it's a nice little case. I figured it was suitable. Got this cut perfectly for its dimensions. I got rid of the number 7 ratchet inside there, and it's just sitting in its foam packaging. But yeah, man, the attention to detail on this, the camera does not do it justice. The amount of work. I had this company called Engraveit. They're in the city of Rancho Cucamonga, right down the street from my shop. And basically, they've been in business for a while, and they cater to the lowrider community. I mean, these guys spend hundreds of thousands of dollars on these cars, and the amount of work. I mean, even if you're not into lowriders, you can respect and appreciate the work and the craftsmanship they do. Not too many people know how to do this. This is almost like a lost art. I'm not all into like gold and blingy crap, but you know what? This is one way I can, you know, show some kind of, I guess you can say, appreciation. And plus, being in business for 20 years and Snap-on being my favorite tool brand, and it being their 100-year anniversary, I can't, you know, think of a better way to, you know, do something to tribute all that. You could even look at the end of the ratchet. It's meticulously just engraved like crazy. You can see the gold in there and just the lines. I mean, the camera does not do it justice. I don't even know if it can focus in on it, but you can see it right over here. Sorry guys, if you guys hear my cat, she's a little freaking in the mood right now. She's in heat, I guess. But yeah, man, they polished everything, plated everything. The only thing they didn't plate and polish only was the actual screw right over here. And it's pretty crazy. Look, man, you can't even keep the pussy away from it. I mean, come on, kitty. Really? Look at it. Kitty likes my little wipes. So anyway, so yeah, I figured it was a nice deal for them to get this done. It took 3 months. Took a little longer than expected, but he's busy, and you know what? It's not like I need this, so it was just something I wanted to get done. I can't explain how much shine there is on this thing. Sometimes it shows black, but it's actually the chrome reflecting off everything, and it's just black. Quarter-inch drive, even the scrolls match. I mean, right up to the, I mean, it's just nuts. I don't know how he does it with these tight radiuses and these tight, actual little bar right over here is really hard to do. It's not like a flat surface. Flat surface is probably a hell of a lot easier to engrave. But yeah, man, he got around here. There's depth involved in it, all kinds of stuff. So one little screw up, it's like, what do you do if you screw up? You throw away a ratchet, get another one? The guy, Hernan at Engraveit is really cool. He's done one other one for one of his friends, I guess. It didn't have as much detail as this one. He went over the top. He said, you know, he wanted to do a good job since I was patient and I waited. But yeah, man, I saw that on Facebook. Really, cat? My cat just knocked the camera over. Jeez. No editing, guys. Bad kitty. Go get laid. Anyway, back to the ratchet. So here we are. Yeah, I just figured I'd do something crazy like this to commemorate 20 years in business. I don't know if you guys can see the detail on it. Put it back together, everything. I guess he stripped it down to bare metal, then engraved it, polished it, and then he went ahead and had it chrome plated. And then he had the gold, you know, I guess embossing or whatever you want to call it. It's kind of hard to see. You can see the gold on the snout. It's just intense how much detail there is. But I figured I'd share this with you guys. I know people are going to hate it, be like, oh, that's so stupid. Why would you do that to a ratchet? It's not about the ratchet. It's got nothing to do with a ratchet. It has to do with symbolizing 20 years in business, over $20 million in auto repairs. And you know what? I'm proud of it. So this is my little special memento. You know, when you start a business, you always ask yourself, fuck, am I going to last a year? Am I going to last 6 months? Well, after 20 years, you're like, holy shit. And here we are. So I figured I'd share this with my YouTubers. If you guys want a price quote, call Engraveit in the city of Rancho Cucamonga, California. But if you want, drop me a direct message and we can go from there. And I let you know and kind of give you an idea. Don't want to advertise anything just in case he, you know, he gave me a different rate or whatever, you know. And maybe it was a lot harder than what he initially quoted me. And he's like, shit, it's a lot of work, man. This is a lost art. Not too many people know how to do this anymore. But I can really appreciate something like this. No, I'm not going to use it. You know, but here, I'll show the 1/4 inch drive too, little. I mean, I just can't believe the 1/4 inch drive. He just is a really tiny dude, and that's a really thin shaft. But look at that, dude. It's beautiful. Again, the camera does not do it any justice. You have to see it in person. The camera, I'm looking at it right now, it is not showing what I see. It is just, you know, I should be wearing white gloves like that one guy. I think his name was Justin C or whatever. He did a Snap-on ratchet review, and he's wearing white gloves, and he sounds like a serial killer. He's like, oh, these are my ratchets and this and that. But, you know, I don't care. White glove or no glove. I go bareback with my ratchets. But yeah, I'll show you right up next to the other ratchets real quick, right over here. Here they are. I lied to you guys, dude. I didn't do any magic, dude. These are the actual same ratchets. But putting them alongside each other, you can actually see. Crazy. Again, you can't see the detail difference, but it's pretty nuts. A lot of people are going to say I should have done the 100th anniversary ones, but I like the traditional Snap-on ratchet, the logo on the top face right over here. The 100-year anniversary one, I don't know. I wanted more cleaner slate. That's just too much lettering, and me being OCD, it's not symmetrical. But, you know, it's kind of cool to have. I wanted to get the regular ones done anyway. But yeah, hope you guys liked it. Comment below. All you little haters, you can hate all you want, but one day when you're in my position, maybe you can do the same. And then I'll give you a high five. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and see you next time. I got some more videos coming up. I got a couple welders I wanted to do a video on. My mill, I just been a little behind, but stay in touch. Like and subscribe if you like the video, and I'll get some more shit going. Thanks, guys. Bye.